Today, when you open Whisk AI, you see it is closed. It now redirects to Google Flow. I recently made a video using Whisk AI, and many people are facing this problem. We used Whisk AI because it was free. It gave access to add subject, scene, and style reference options. This made character consistency perfect in images. I have another method for you to achieve the same results. Let us get started. First, open Google Flow in any browser. Click New Project. Choose the image settings as shown on the screen. Paste your character prompt here and hit Generate. While it is generating, paste the second character prompt and generate it. If you do not know how to get the perfect character prompt, check the video link in the description. The first image is generated. Check the details. The second one is also generated. Now paste any scene prompt. Hold the image of the character and double-click to add it to the prompt, then click Generate. The first scene image is generated. I tried another scene but made a mistake in the prompt. I fixed it and got the best result. Now I will test one last time with a simple prompt. The prompt is, "The girl sits on a bench with this man." Add the words Ghibli style at the start of the prompt for the best results. The image is generated and you can see the character consistency is perfect. If you need to animate it, click the image and follow my steps. The image is now animated. I have solved your problem. You can use Gemini instead of Google Flow. This makes it very easy to use. The next video will be CDance 2.0 for free part 2 with new tools. Please wait for it. I am Joseph. I will see you in the next video.